Well, it's KooKoo time, and we're coming into the Cooking with KooKoo kitchen on the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. Dave Myers here. Your guy who is not a cook is going to cook up something real good. And today we're going to make dark chocolate pecan pie. And this I am looking forward to seeing if it's going to be good. I'm pretty sure it is. So let's get started right off right now. We start off with a cup and a half of pecans. The recipe said a cup and a half of halved pecans, but we had some leftover chopped pecans, so we just are going to get rid of them. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 18 minutes at 350 and turn them over, shake them up once in a while. But here we go, we got them all ready here. We'll put them right in the oven. So while that's doing its thing over there, roasting our pecans, we're going to chop up this Chef Select chocolate. Lately we've been on a real good roll here using this stuff, and let me tell you, it's very good. You take 2 bars of our Chef Select dark chocolate. We're going to chop them up. There goes our 2 dark chocolate Chef Select chocolate bars. Then we're going to go with 6 tablespoons of butter. Melt it all together. I'm going to melt it on a low heat, kind of keep an eye on it. Then we are going to mix up the ingredients for our filling. 4 eggs. And by the way, this is a 9-inch pie. 3/4 of a cup of dark corn syrup. 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Is a tablespoon of cocoa powder. For those who don't mind partaking, we are going to put 2 tablespoons of bourbon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that up. Remember, this is 2 bars of that Chef's Dark Select, chopped up and melted. And we're going to add it to our mixture of 4 eggs and a bunch of other stuff. Give it a good whisk. So we got over here, as we get this ready, we have a 9-inch pie dish with a pre-made pie crust. We didn't go to making our own crust, because remember, I got to be careful. I'm not a cook. We'll put our pecans in first. We're going to put it in the bottom of the dish. So I'm just going to take my hand, spread this out evenly across there. Now is when the marriage comes together. We put all our fun stuff, our chocolate select dark chocolate, our melted butter, our dark corn syrup, brown sugar, our bourbon. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this was easy and it looks good. 30 to 40 minutes, 350. We're going to set it for 30 minutes, check it, and show you guys what it looks like and determine whether we go any more or not. So I'll set her in there. Is that the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Well, it's time to taste the pecan pie. Oh, yes indeedy. We've let it cool, and we're gonna give it a slice to get a taste of it. Ah, nice little texture on cutting through there. They say the first piece of the pie is always the hardest, don't they? Uh-oh. Not bad. Not terrible. Okay, there it is. Dark chocolate pecan pie. We are going to see what this tastes like with a little dab of whipping cream. My favorite is vanilla ice cream, but can't have it all the way, the way you want it every time. It's time now. Here it is. there is a nice, on the top there, that outside, it's kind of like, I want to say crust. Oh, you know, I haven't been like jammed around with hundreds of pecan pies in my life, but those that I have, this is in the top bracket. It blends together the dark chocolate, gives a rich chocolatey taste. One of the best pies I've ever eaten. This is delicious. It's time for me to thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it immensely. Subscribe to the channel if you like. Follow the links in the description on the Chef Select chocolate that we use in this pie. I'm telling you, this is good. And like us on Facebook, KooKoo for Cocoa. This pecan pie, dark chocolate pecan pie is absolutely delicious. It's time to go. Maybe it's the bourbon in here. Dave Myers, KooKoo for Cocoa on the Cooking with KooKoo channel. See you later. Bye-bye.